Hey. So, haven't did a video in a while, in about a year according to my YouTube page. Or I haven't posted one in about a year according to my YouTube page. But I'm restarting, have relocated. As y'all can see that my background is a little different right now. That's a whole nother video. But I'm gonna take y'all on my journey. Um, and later, yeah, I'm just take y'all on my journey from starting from scratch all over again, but this time actually being serious about what it is that I'm trying to do, which is build a brand and make a name for myself and build not only for myself but for my kids and build generational wealth. My goal by the end of all of this is to be able to set up 3 generations after I'm dead and gone of generational wealth, so that by the time that third generation gets around and comes around, they should be able to know how to get money, keep money, make money, and not necessarily in that order, but they should be able to do all of that. And that's my goal, is to start so that way my kids can get on a good foot, not just only financially but mentally, physically, emotionally. So right now, making cards and stickers for my brand, which is Royalty 43. Here we go. Now y'all can see that better. It's called Royalty 43. It's my kids who have inspired me to call it that, because I feel like my kids are royalty. And my little tags that I'm hang up on my clothes. I'm doing it on the Cricut, for the Cricut print and cut. It just doesn't, I haven't figured it out yet. And if somebody can help me figure out how it is that I can get it so that when I do the Cricut print and cut, it doesn't cut out every individual letter, because that's what it's been doing. What I wanted to do is go around the whole logo. Sorry. I wanted to go around the whole logo and not every individual letter, because then it doesn't come out right. So anyway, these are tags that I'm gonna cut out by hand until I can figure out how to do it on my Cricut so that it cuts it out all together. And then I'm gonna tag them to my clothes and to my other items that I do, because I don't do just clothes. I do all kind of stuff. You'll see along the way. So I'm cut them out, punch a hole in it, and then tag it to my clothes. But I've been using, because I have a lot of paper, I like to do paper crafts as well. Like I said, I do a lot. So what I did was I printed it on the back of pretty cardstock, and I have different ones. So yeah, I did that, and then I did sticker paper to make little stickers, because you know how with some brands they have the stickers that you can put on whatever. I have that. I made a couple of those, and you can get good sticker paper. They have some for the Cricut, they have some for the Silhouette, or you can go to Walmart like I did and pick up a pack for, I think it was like $7, but you get 15 sheets in it, which is way more than what you get with the Silhouette, which was $9, and you only get 8 sheets. Now, what the quality difference is, I think the Silhouette sticker paper is a little bit more stickier, but right now I'm just starting out, so when we get there, we'll get there. Like you don't have to necessarily break the bank to get what you want out of life. Like, yes, I know you have to spend money to make money, but it's okay to use what you already have, especially if you're talented and you know what you're doing, and and even if you don't know what you're doing, because I've been winging it, a lot of winging it, but it is what it is. I also did my business cards on Word, on Microsoft Word, on the funky little cardstock paper as well. I plan to put like a small sticker maybe after I cut them out, like this. Like, I already cut them out, but these are kind of small, so I know I need to resize or measure them so that they come out even. But what I want to do is on the back side, put a sticker, like make my little Royalty 43, print it out on sticker paper again, and put the sticker on the back. So that way, you know, it has something on the front and the back. Even on the paper that I printed them out on the funny paper, on the colorful paper, you know, I want to do that. So those are a couple of different ways to kind of, on the budget, make your, you know, start your branding and stuff, especially if you're doing paper crafts or whatnot. Like if you already have a huge stash of paper like I do, then go ahead and use that paper, utilize it. Also, if you look on my playlist that I have a playlist called Crash My Stash, or Stash My Crash My Stash, I think, where it's a bunch of different paper crafting videos, so you can use up that paper crafting stash. They're from different paper crafting crafters and whatnot, so I'll have to link, you know, I think you can just, if you click the video, it'll go straight to that person. And then I also have my own tutorial videos on my channel, and I'll probably be posting a couple more of those, because when I was going over them, didn't realize how soft spoken I was, so I gotta redo those anyway and kind of shorten them a little bit, because if y'all haven't been able to tell yet, I'm a talker. I like to talk. It's cool. If you don't like it, then don't watch it. Other than that, that's all I have for right now. That's what I've been working on. My next thing that I want to work on is pretty much trying to get in at the here in Texas, in Liberty, we have a thing called the Liberty for Real Trade Days. I'm trying to get in on that so that I can test out my stuff and, you know, my brand. You can other than that, you can subscribe to my channel. It's under my name, Sydney Humphrey, and you can also follow me on Instagram at, but I gotta look at it myself. You can follow me on Instagram at Royalty43_. So that's ROYALTY 43, the number 4 and 3, and then the underscore. You can follow me there. And if you have any questions, you can also email me at royalty43.r43@gmail.com. If you have any questions or you have any suggestions or anything like that, you can also leave suggestions down in the comment section, or, you know, things that I might not know about, or what, you know, let's help each other get there and grow and go. Other than that, I hope all y'all have a blessed day and a good week. And I will talk to y'all later and update y'all with what I have going on and show y'all my finished product.